Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will explain Pauli's exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two electrons in the same orbital can have the same values of four quantum numbers. It means if two electrons share the same orbital, they cannot have the same set of four quantum numbers. I will give you an example to clear your concept. This is 2s subshell. In s subshell there is only one orbital. Suppose there are two electrons in this orbital. We will compare the quantum number of these two electrons. Prepare two columns, first electron and second electron. First quantum number is principal quantum number n. Value of the principal quantum number is the number that is written before the name of the subshell, which is 2 in this case. This value is same for both the electrons because these two electrons belongs to the same shell. Second quantum number is azimuthal quantum number. Its value is specific for each subshell. For s subshell, its value is 0. As both electrons belong to the s subshell, so it's again same for both the electrons. Third quantum number is magnetic quantum number m. Its value ranges from minus L to plus L. In this case, the value of L or azimuthal quantum number is 0. So value of the magnetic quantum number for these two electrons is 0, as these two electrons belong to the same orbital. The fourth quantum number is spin quantum number s. It can have two possible values, plus 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2. If its value for first electron is plus 1 over 2, then its value for the second electron must be minus 1 over 2. Now you can clearly see that the three quantum numbers are same for both the electrons, but the fourth quantum number is different. That's the point that Pauli's exclusion principle tells you. Take another example. This is 2p subshell. In p subshell there are three orbitals px, py and pz. Suppose there are two electrons present in 2px subshell. We will compare their quantum numbers. First quantum number is principal quantum number n. Its value is equal to the number that is written before the name of the subshell, which is 2. So this is same for both the electrons because these two electrons belongs to the shell number 2. Second quantum number is azimuthal quantum number L. Its value is specific for each subshell. For p subshell, its value is 1. Both electrons belong to the p subshell, so its value is same for both the electrons. Third quantum number is magnetic quantum number m. Its value ranges from minus L to plus L. Here the value of azimuthal quantum number L is 1, so its value for p subshell is minus 1, 0 and plus 1. For 2px and 2py, its value may be plus 1 or minus 1. If its value for px is plus 1, then its value for py will be minus 1 or vice versa. For pz subshell, its value is 0. Here we are assuming that electrons are present in 2px subshell, so we can take magnetic quantum number value either plus 1 or minus 1. I am taking plus 1. It is again same for both the electrons because these two electrons are present in the same orbital px. Fourth quantum number is spin quantum number s. It can have two possible values, plus 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2. If its value for first electron is plus 1 over 2, then its value for the second electron will be minus 1 over 2. Now again you can see that three quantum numbers are same for the two electrons, but the fourth quantum number is different. This is according to the Pauli's exclusion principle. Now we can conclude that two electrons in the same orbital can have maximum 3 quantum numbers same. The fourth quantum number must be different, or two electrons in the same orbital must have different spin quantum number. This is the reason when we are writing electronic configuration of an atom or element, we represent a pair of electron in the orbital like this, one arrow upward and other arrow downward. It means the spin quantum number for one electron is -1/2 and for the other electron is +1/2. This is according to the Pauli's exclusion principle. We cannot represent the pair of electron in the same orbital like this or this. Here it means that the two electrons in the same orbital have the same spin quantum number +1/2, and here the two electrons in the same orbital have the same spin quantum number of -1/2. This is against the Pauli's exclusion principle and it is wrong. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.